I'm looking at some Linux distributions that could possibly be the best Linux distro for 2015. I have already picked one, but let's take a look at some possible candidates for the best Linux distro for 2015. Alright, well, this is just a brief look at the top 10 here at distrowatch.com. Now you may or may not agree with these choices, but that's okay. Linux Mint, sure, I've been using this in the past and still do. Ubuntu, of course, one of my favorites. We have Debian. I don't use this as much as I used to, only in a virtual environment. Mageia I have never used. Fedora I do not use. OpenSUSE I've tested. Of course, where would the top 10 list be without Arch Linux, right? We have CentOS I have never used. PC Linux OS I do enjoy using. And finally Slackware, that's something I have never used, or actually finally is FreeBSD, also something I have never used. Alright, so I think for this one, I think what I'll do is have this where you pick, each comment will count as a vote for the best Linux distribution of 2015. Let's run this through the end of October. Like I said, I've picked mine. You guys can guess probably what it is, but I will mention mine last. So each comment will count as a vote. May the best Linux distribution win the best Linux distro for 2015, coming up based on your votes.